Welcome everyone. In this session, we're going to talk about the reports. This is one of the key section for the QuickBook, and the QuickBook have some amazing reports that is very helpful for the organization from the financial accounting point of view and also from the management accounting point of view. So let's have a look some built-in report they already have, and the main key feature the QuickBook have, like if I like to customize any report, it is possible here. So let's have a look. The first few reports we have here, that is of course the balance sheet, that is a statement of financial position, also the profit and loss account. These two are the key report for any organization and any financial statement. And except that, we have a statement of cash flow and we have a receivable aging summary. So this is very important for organization. The favorite section will tell you if you like to get some report. For example, there is a lot of reports here. So if I like to get some report and if I like to keep on the favorite section, I can always click this is star and it will take to the favorite section, so that if I feel like I'm using this report every time, I can always click this one. And also we have some VAT report, and this is from from the VAT. So if I like to see what is happening with the VAT, so VAT 100 report we have here. And top of that, if I like to get any report customized, I can always click this three dot and it will help me to go and make a customized report, and I can save my customized template with this report. Let's have a look what else we have here. We can see here we have for my accountant section, we have a profit and loss, we have a statement of financial position, we have accounting list, we have a journals, we have a general ledgers, everything. So any report you need, the QuickBook have almost everything. And the next tab we have after the standard, the next tab we have custom report. Now custom report, as I said, based on my organization requirement, I can always build in my report and I can save here as a template. So this I can do as much as I need or as much as I can. There is no restriction or limitation for that. The next section we have management report. This is one of the very important area and the key area for the organization, especially where you have a lot of meetings and you have to give the report to your senior management to tell what's happening. So is the sales target is fulfilled, is the company doing well, how much is the cost, how much is the expense, everything you can get from here. For example, the company overview, if I have a look this one. Now this report will tell you with the statement, with the information, like in a proper format. So prepared on the 7th of June 2022, and you can see here we have a content, this content for the profit and loss and balance sheet. I can make the report based on my requirement the way I like. This report is possible to download, we can print it and we can do PDF the way we like. This is a very important report that especially for the management organization, they need it to take the decision like what's happening in the company. This report can be prepared customizedly. For example, you can see for this year, you can look at for 1 month, 1 week, even quarter. Even if you like to make it customized for only 7 days, 5 days, if you click custom, so it will give you the option like from which day to which day. For example, if I just want to see for any specific period for 5 days, 2 days, 3 days, I can always select from and to, and it will help me to get the report on that. So this is a very amazing features the QuickBook have to prepare the management report. And also on the standard report, the report we need, we already have, so we really don't have to make too much. For example, the first section I like to show you, that is for the profit and loss account. Let's say I like to make the profit and loss account. I like to see the report for the profit and loss account. Now of course, like profit and loss account will show me the income and the expense, and after that the net profit. Now if I don't like to see any unrealized gain or any unrealized loss that is because of the comprehensive income, I can always tick this box, so unrealized gain or loss will be gone. If I like to see it, I can always do that. Now the report, I have a date, and 2, I can make the report based on my requirement for 6 months, for 1 year, for last year. I can the way I want to see, I can always do that. Top of that, if I like to take something from here, for example, I want to see the report for this month, this quarter, this year, last year, I can always see that from here. So for example, if I like to see the last year, that is January to December, so I can always run report, and the report will be automatically generated based on my requirement. Now once this report, we can see here income and expense, net profit, net income, everything is here. And display column by, you can see here we have a days, week, month, quarter. The way I like to say, I can see from there as well. Then of course, like we have here all the active rows, all the zero. If something is zero, if we don't want to see it, we can always remove it. Now if I like to see the comparative, for example, what happened this year, what happened to the last year, we can always see that, like what's happening to the last year. That will give you the always comparative figure. And also the method, accounting method, normally is always accrual, so it is default. By default we're going to see the accrual concept. But if I like to see the cash concept is all about how much money I have received and how much actually paid. If I like to see the report based on that condition, I can always choose that, and it will give me the report based on that. And if I am still want to customize it, I can always do that. So once I do the customize the way I want, I can always click save customize, and my customized report section, this report will be saved. So next time I really don't have to customize myself. For example, if I like to see the report for 3.5 months, that is not here, so I can customize a report and I can save the customization. So next time if I like to see it, I just go to the customize section and open that report. It will be open automatically. And once this report is here, if I like to send someone, I can always do that. So you can see here email, I can email this report, I can print it out this report, and also if I like to export, I can do that. Now export, we have PDF and Excel both. If I like to get PDF, I can get PDF. If I get Excel, I can get Excel. So this is a very, very nice thing the QuickBook have from the report point of view. And all this report we have here is kind of built in, so if I still need to make something, I can always do that from here. So this is the report section the QuickBook have, and this report will help the organization to take the decision based on the requirement, and of course like to look at the situation, what would be the priority. They can take the decision by looking at all of this report. And any report, if I think I like this report or I use this report so much, for example, if I like to see the trial balance, so I can click here that is star, and it will go to the favorite section. If I like to see the GL balances, it will go to the favorite section. So next time what will happen, I don't have to go all down on the favorite. I can see all this report I generally or normally use, so I will be able to see everything from here. And still if I like to customize it, I can always do that from here. It's an amazing software from the report point of view, I have to say. So I think like now we understand how to get the report, how to customize it, and in the next section maybe we're going to see some more information that will be more helpful for us.